What's up, guys? Welcome back to Uber Eats Soap 32. Today I'm gonna be showing you my dirt bike. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna can't show you the license plate. There's no license. Yeah, I don't ride on the road. It's not a pit bike. I don't know. Look at this. Honda 150. See that? That's the good stuff. See there, it's a 150. Oh, also, are you made out of milk? I don't know what I'm doing. Jimmy's mom. Those are just BB guns, not real guns, YouTube. Those are just BB guns, YouTube. I'm not gonna do kids anymore because I want a comment section. Alright, guys, if you're watching this, thank you for supporting the channel. Please like and subscribe.